I personally is really in favor of divorce. So, no, dambagin nyo ti kabukbukutan nga kapan panunutan ti may panggupi ti diborsyo. I personally in favor to this. So, muna ti amin kahit kung may kaniti noan natin paganarigak kumano api nga sakit mismo nga pabor iti diborsyo. Muna ti amin, siyempre we also look into DJ proseso ngamin. Actually, sir, no ngamin ko nam iti diborsyo ngamin, it's not new to us. Before during the time, mga 1900s, karugog iti 1900s, during the Spanish time, before the Japanese occupation, at dati makon ko na nga diborsyo. And then came the Japanese regime, and the people then tend to be more conservative. So they did not approve the continuance of this divorce. And then it came to the extent that we have the Civil Code of the Philippines, tinutuloy na nila na wala na yung divorce. So iyan yung unang point. So it's not new to us to have a divorce bill. Pangalawang punto is that yung ating when you talk about divorce, tayo na lang sa buong mundo ang walang divorce. So if we think that what we look into, what is our consideration is about our religion, that we protect our yung sanctity of marriage. But then again, it's only the Philippines and the Vatican who does not have that divorce. So could you imagine na yung mga countries kung saan nag-originate ang Christianism are already having this divorce. So pangatlo, when you talk about divorce also, pag tiningnan mo sa civil code provisions natin, shall we say na wala siya talagang binabanggit tungkol sa divorce. But then again, when you look into about marriage, when you talk about marriage, there is such thing as declaration of nullity of marriage and annulment of marriage, and we also have legal separation. So if you look into it, it is it's like also divorce kasi hiwalayin mo rin yung mag-asawa. But then again, yun nga yung grounds for having your marriage na ma-dissolve yung marriage mo under our civil code and family code, medyo mahigpit. Kaya karamihan, when you look into the statistics, karamihan na ngayon na naghihiwalay ay do not resolve it through annulment or declaration of nullity. Rather, they just separate de facto. So, kung tutusin, kung tingnan mo naman kasi, when you talk about ano ba kasi ang meron kung magkaiwalay ang mag-asawa. So, pag titingnan mo ang batas, it's not all about love. It's all about property relations. Yun ang pinoprotektahan ng batas, yung pag-aari ng mag-asawa. It's not all about, you do not talk about love under the law. But then again, pag titingnan mo maigi yung mga provisions ng batas, ang pinoprotektahan niya dito ay yung property relations ng mag-asawa. So upon separation of your husband or your wife, ang pinag-uusapan na after, it's not all about getting marriage to somebody else again, but rather how you are going to dissolve your property. Okay? Yun lang naman. So if you ask me personally, kung ang usapan lang naman is about divorce, ako, I am personally in favor.
Okay, attorney, I'm sorry for interrupt you. Attorney, iti damang iti House Bill nga masay iti biyang ti House of Representative anat nagdumaan na iti present iti annulment of marriage, attorney.
Umuna ti syempre ngamin when you talk about annulment of marriage, okay, so very very stringent yung mga basis, okay, legal grounds for the annulment of marriage. Isa na dyan is to prove there is what we call yung kasing grounds niya, like for example, psychological incapacity. So it takes a lot of proving in court. Kung gusto mong i-highlight about yung when you talk about yung ating psychological incapacity, matindi ang batas, nire-require ng batas para patunayan mo ang psychological incapacity. Eh, siyempre, kung tayo lang naman, di ba, kung titingnan mo naman sa realidad, yung mga ganun ba na sitwasyon, totoo bang nangyayari, yun din ang tanong eh. Yun ang pinakamalaking tanong. So it takes a lot of proving doon sa mga grounds. So that's the reason why kung titingnan mo naman sa bagong proposed na divorce bill, which is akin to declaration of nullity and annulment of marriage, dito kasi sa divorce, okay, pwede na kayong maghiwalay as husband and wife kung meron kayong tinatawag na abandonment. Okay, abandonment for 5 years. Unlike dito sa dati na it will only result into legal separation wherein you are still husband and wife, but then again, what would only differ it from your existing marriage is that hindi ka lang nakatira sa bahay ng asawa mo. So, but in papers, you are still married kasi nga legal separation lang. Because the presumption of the law is that you might somehow in the future would again reconcile your differences. Pero kasi dito sa divorce, when you talk about abandonment, so or yung mga forms of physical abuse ng mga asawa, so dito sa bagong divorce, this would now be grounds for the divorce. So totally na there is now what we call parang grounds na yon for the like yung divorce kasi parang annulment or declaration of nullity. Talagang wala na kayo sa isa't isa at you can already get married with another. Okay, you can enter again into marriage. Kaya dito kasi sa Luma, which is yung civil code, yung legal separation, you cannot go into marriage again. Okay, maghiwalay lang kayo, separate de facto. Maghiwalay lang kayo ng bahay, pero yung apelyido mo, yun pa rin yung dati. Okay, so that spells the difference. That's just one of the difference.
Okay, so attorney no na iton nga kalpasan nga ipasay ti house ti biyang ti house representative para kanyayo attorney adto digiti mang abil nga tan katay ti tatta nga baro nga house bill ti divorce attorney.
Okay, so malamang ado kasi una when you look into statistics kunak nga rod almost half of the married couples in our country are already separated. Okay, or they have already entered into another marriage. So if you look into that figures alone, so we can say na talagang maraming mag-abil dito. So if the question, okay, yung siguro merong mga conservatives, yung mga conservative na hindi sila sang-ayon sa aking kaisipan, pero unang-una when you are really into that marriage, you really value your marriage, even ilang divorce pa yan, di ba? Kung talagang you are meant for each other and you really value your marriage, so kahit ilang divorce pa yan, hindi kayo magkaiwalay. Okay, kaya lang kasi ang divorce ginawa niya lang tong mas shall we say mas rational yung paghiwalay kasi kung titingnan mo sa yung ating annulment or declaration of nullity, it takes time for you to prove it in court kasi nga yung mga grounds are very stringent. Dito sa bago, okay, kasi hindi naman natin sinasabi na there might not be hindi na ba posible na you can reconcile. You can always reconcile if you wish to. Okay, so before you go into that step na maghiwalay, kaya sa tingin ko, with looking into that statistics, dami na kasing naghiwalay for some and they have already entered into another marriage. Okay, so pag titingnan mo, ang inentay lang nila ay maging legal sa batas. So with that kind of situation, so kung yung divorce would be the easier way to do it, then why not?
Okay. Okay, attorney, maraming salamat po kaditi oras nga pa stasyon ni Bombo Radio amok nga bitin deti panangi explanation but ate tingonakon hala ka diti damo nga makinnumanda ka dera day pa or marsaro nga daw danto pa diti panangi bitar na kamunking kan kaditi tibiyang ti Bombo Radio Lawag attorney maraming salamat po malaksid attorney dapat ti short or iti pamalagip iti especially iti ginanayat nga plano nga ag-divorce attorney.
Okay, so unang-una, when you talk about marriage, actually, ano yan it's a matter of choice. So, when you entered into that marriage, alam mo naman na, yun nga yung sabi nga natin, while it is true that love is the reason why you entered into marriage, there are legal grounds provided for in by law. Yung law natin, it is made for us to follow. But then again, yung sabi ko nga kung yung pagmamahal mo talaga sa asawa mo, nandun, bakit kailangan mo you need to have a divorce, diba? Etong batas naman natin, hindi naman niya inobliga yung bawat isa sa atin na we have to separate ways, diba? Hindi naman niya in-encourage. Kaya lang kasi may mga certain cases wherein the relationship of husband and wife is irreconcilable. So, sa punto na yon, okay, you always have, sabi ng batas, you always have the choice, okay, to go on your separate ways through this divorce bill. Kung ayaw nyo maghiwalay, it's your choice also. Hindi naman yan pinipilit ng batas.
Okay.